One of our most recent successes was that we had a client who presented to us with a drink driving conviction. They'd been convicted in the local court. They appeared self-represented without the assistance of a lawyer, and unfortunately he was sentenced to a period of immediate imprisonment. He was able to get bail pending his appeal. We were able to assist him with the appeal process so that he could achieve an outcome that was a sentence less than immediate imprisonment. So the first thing that we had to do was get him out on bail so that he wasn't sitting in prison whilst his appeal was pending. Once that was achieved, we prepared the appeal, we filed it with the district court, and we were then able to guide him through the appeal process. There were a number of ways that we assisted him. We referred him to drug and alcohol counselling, we referred him to a psychiatrist, and we referred him to Alcoholics Anonymous. And whilst he undertook those courses, we prepared his appeal, we prepared character references, we prepared an apology letter, and we then presented to the court with those documents, with a letter from his psychiatrist, with a letter from his counsellor, and we were able to convince the court that immediate imprisonment wasn't the appropriate sentence for this client, and fortunately we were able to keep him out of jail. Oftentimes people who appear in court are not happy with the sentence they receive in the local court, and this can be for a number of reasons. They may feel that the magistrate did not listen to what they had to say, they may feel that they weren't prepared, or they may simply feel that the sentence was too harsh for what they did. The advantage of an appeal is that it is effectively a fresh hearing. The court does not have regard to what the magistrate sentenced you to. The court will listen to what you have to say again, and the court can even receive additional information. So for example, when you appeared in the local court, you were partway through some counselling or partway through a treatment program. You can then appeal your decision, and when you get to the appeal hearing, you may now have completed this program or completed this counselling. And the advantage that you then have is the court can have regard to the bigger picture and not just part of what you have been doing. To ensure that you receive the best possible outcome for your case, the team at JB Solicitors may be able to help you.